Super quick unboxing of this Ted Baker InvesTED wallet. So this is the box. You can see there's some matte surfaces and some gloss surfaces. Carry around the side. Nothing really interesting on the back. So let's get it open. So there's the wallet itself. Let's take it out. So it's a glossy sort of brown leather. You can see it's embossed in this corner. Ted Baker London, this one says. Nothing on the back. Feels like a nice quality leather. Pretty slim. And you can see there's a colour accent in there as well. So this kind of orangey pink, sort of a mauve. Is that the right colour? And if we open it up, it gets quite funky on the inside. We've got this slightly silky pattern in the centre. You can see there's a little hole at the bottom here to help it bend better. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 card holders on each side. The bottom ones have a little thumb area there. Nice wallet. Feels great quality. Don't really mind this too much. That's probably a little too wild for me, but let's see. The material feels nice. It does feel like a quality product. Nice present as well, nice gift. So I give it 6 out of 10.